what's going on, guys? I hope you are doing well. Thank you so much for stopping by my channel. I am very, very honored that you did. Guess what? We got a great lesson today. So we were on yesterday, we were dealing with 2/16 and the 1/8, right? OneKneeAnn. We're still dealing with that. OneKneeAnn, but we had the accent at the top, right? We're putting the accent on the back part this time. So OneKneeAnn, 2E-Ann. So the accent is going to be on the and. 1E-Ann, 2E-Ann, 3E-Ann, 4E-Ann, 1E-Ann, 2E-Ann, 3E-Ann, 4E-Ann. No, yesterday we had 1E-Ann. We was the accent, the first part of it. Today we're going to have 1E-Ann, 2E-Ann, 3E-Ann, 4E-Ann. All right, so let's just work with this hi-hat just for a second. All right. 1, 2, ready, and go. And now we got to add the kick drum into this, all right? So it could be a little tricky because naturally, always naturally, you want to add the kick drum with the accent, like you want to go, right? But now we got to go. So we're gonna have to start with the tap stroke and then have an accent come after, right? So let's try that. 1, 2, 1, 2. All righty. So I'm telling you, it can be a little tricky at first, but take your time. You may have to go, right? You may have to go. Or go slow, right? Because naturally you want to go. And that can happen. But you want to go. Right? All righty. Now, let's try it with the snare drum. So the snare drum is on what? 2 and 4. All right? Same thing. And 1, 2, 1, 2. Ready? Go. All right, now this is a tricky one too, because you remember how we had the 8th notes, going back to the 8th note lesson, when we had like that flam type thing right there. So we had the 1 and 2, almost like that. That's kind of the same thing that's happening right here, right? 1E-Ann, 2E-Ann. It just you're not really splicing it really fast like that, because you got 2 other notes behind that, right? 1E-Ann, 2E-Ann, 3E-Ann, 4E-Ann, 1E-Ann, 2E-Ann, 3E-Ann, 4E-Ann. Now we got to put all this together. So we're gonna layer it: hi-hat first, kick drum, and then snare drum. All right, here we go. 1, 2, 1, 2. you may see me see the approach. I might be crescendo. That's fine too, you know, cause when you get faster, you might have that effect, right? Cause it won't be like. So you're gonna have more of a crescendo bounce to it, right? All right, so let's start it at 50 BPM, all up together. All right, let's try that. 1, 2, ready, and go, and. All right, let's shoot on up to 70 BPM. Ready, go. All right, it is the groove. This is so groovy. A little intricate to play, but once you grab it, once you get it, it's so fun to play. All right, so we're going to 90 BPM. 1, 2. Accent, just kind of open it up just a little bit, right? And we haven't gotten to it yet, but changing up the bass drum a little bit, right? Add a little snare drum to a little ghost note. I'm sorry, I went off the deep end. My bad. I am back. It's good. I'm telling you, it's really good. 110. 110 is where we at. 110. 1, 2, ready, and. All right. 130. Now this might be a little challenging because you're gonna have to really dig in, right? You're gonna have to really dig in to get those 16ths and 8ths in there, right? So 1, 2, 1, 2, run 2, ready, and. Listen. I am having so much fun. I'm having a blast. I hope you're having a blast while you're learning, right? So just take what we've learned. If you can't get, again, like I said, if you can't get it that fast, start where it's comfortable for you. Whether it's going to be like at, like 80 BPM, 100 BPM, and go slow with it and work your way up to a speed that you think you're utilizing music. Take your time. Practice this every day, and build yourself up to where you want to be. Listen, again, like I always say, I am very honored that you stopped by my channel to see what I have to see what I have going on. I hope it's helping you. Let me know, drop a chat below if you have questions or anything like that, so I can help you. All right, take care and have an amazing day. See you tomorrow for the next lesson.